Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open Capcut on your PC and sign into your account if needed. Create a new project from the Projects menu and import your media files. Click the Text button in the left toolbar and add a text layer to the timeline. With the text selected, open the right-hand panel and locate the Text-to-Speech option under Audio. Click Text-to-Speech to open the voice browser and preview available voices before applying them to your clip. After opening the text-to-speech window, pick a voice from the list and click Preview to listen. Use the speed control to choose 0, 9x, 1, 0x, or 1, 2x for natural pacing. Adjust pitch slightly for tone and reduce volume by 12 dB when the voice clashes with music. Confirm the text content and press Generate to create the audio clip. The TTS audio is added to your timeline. To export high-quality audio, mute other tracks and export a WAV file at 44, 100 Hz 16-bit. If your text exceeds limits, split it into 500 character segments and generate separate TTS clips. Save each generated voice clip to your local drive so you can re-import and reuse them in other projects. If TTS fails, check your internet connection and update Capcut to the latest version. These steps guarantee reliable text-to-speech production for your videos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.